Okay, so I am making this video because I am trying to flash the last er9x firmware onto my Turnigy 9x version 2 transmitter. And I saw many people on the internet having problems when flashing the firmware with errors like device signature 0000 or SCK parameter not set. I was able to solve my problem with a configuration into EEP software. So now you can see the board, the front side and the back side. And here I have some dirty soldering because I've soldered the pin on the transmitter board in the wrong direction, so I had to manually revert them here in order to make it work. I'm working for a notebook which has Windows 8.1, and before applying the correction to the EEP configuration, I was only able to read the memory and with some kind of problems to make a backup of the original firmware. When I plugged in the USB device, I was able to communicate only for the first few seconds or the first operation. I didn't understand this, but I had to unplug this one and then plug it back in order to make it do again the memory reading or the backup of the firmware, but I wasn't able to write anything on the transmitter. What I did here is to go into the configuration section here and to check the extra arguments for AVR dude, and this worked for me, adding minus capital B 100, which slow down the communication between the board and the transmitter, and also solves the problem about the device signature, which is related to this. So after doing this configuration, I was able to correctly write the last image on my transmitter. And now you can see I have the nice splash screen from er9x. Okay, alarms disabled, and here it is. I hope this works for you too, and if you find it useful, please like my video or submit a comment. Have a nice day.